Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling completely drained? Like someone just stole your energy, your peace, maybe even your confidence? That's the invisible damage toxic people can cause. They don't just frustrate you, they infect your mindset, your mood, and sometimes your entire day. But here's the game changer: you don't have to keep giving them that power. This isn't about cutting everyone off or living in isolation. It's about getting smart. It's about protecting your peace like your life depends on it, because in many ways it does. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 powerful smart strategies that will not only help you deal with toxic people but rise above them stronger than ever. Number 1, set clear emotional boundaries. Stoicism isn't about enduring abuse, it's about strength rooted in virtue, and sometimes virtue means saying no. Seneca taught, associate with people who are likely to improve you. Welcome those whom you can improve. Toxic people thrive on emotional manipulation. They love to test your limits, play the victim, or make you feel guilty for things that aren't your responsibility. Define what behavior you will and won't tolerate. You don't need to explain or apologize for protecting your peace. Practice saying no without guilt. Remember, your mental health is a priority, not a privilege. Know this. Setting boundaries is not selfish, it's self-respect. Boundaries teach others how to treat you too. Don't take the bait. Detach emotionally. The moment you take it personally, they win. Toxic people want you to react. They feed off drama, conflict, and attention. If they can get you upset, they feel in control. Practice emotional detachment. Stay calm, be polite but firm. Don't match their chaos with more chaos. Respond. Don't react. Their behavior is a reflection of them, not you. Your peace is power. Mastering your emotions is a superpower they can't control. Third, practice the art of indifference. The Stoic apatheia. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, when another blames you or hates you, turn to your own soul, remove all attachment and look to your reason. Stoic indifference doesn't mean you don't care, it means you don't cling. When you stop depending on toxic people for approval, validation, or fairness, you liberate yourself. Whether they praise or criticize you, it changes nothing about who you are. Their chaos cannot shake your calm. Why? Because your self-worth is rooted in virtue, not opinion. Be like a rock in a storm, steady, silent, unmoved. For limit contact when necessary. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is walk away. Not everyone deserves access to you. If someone is continually hurting, disrespecting, or undermining you, it's time to create space or close the door. Entirely reduce exposure when possible. If they're at work, keep interactions strictly professional. If it's a personal relationship, consider distancing or even cutting ties if they refuse to change. You are not obligated to keep toxic people in your life out of history, guilt, or pressure. You deserve relationships that uplift, not diminish you. 5, heal yourself and don't become them. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, wrote in his work Meditation, specifically Book 6, Section 6, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Dealing with toxic people can leave emotional scars. It's easy to become bitter, angry, or even start mimicking their behaviors. Unconsciously do the inner work. Journal your feelings. Talk to a therapist or coach. Forgive not for their sake but for your freedom. Choose healing over hate. You don't rise by sinking to their level. You rise by staying rooted in your values, your truth, and your inner peace.